Hi mga ka-UVG! Kamusta kayo dyan? Tingnan natin kung anong second week of May mo. Okay. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So tingnan natin. Okay. Salamat po pala sa mga new subscriber, nag-comment, nag-like at saka nag-share. Thank you so much po. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong second week of May mo, Virgo. Mga ka-UVG Collective. Sana po ay naririnig ako, no? So, let's see. Nine of Swords, Sleepless Night. Knight of Wands, Communication, Taking Action. Sana ay naririnig ako, no? Parang feeling ko layo. Malayo ba? Or someone is may malayo dito. I don't know. What else? Five of Pentacles at saka Eight of Pentacles. Someone feeling left out or alone. Okay. Merong dapat mag-workout ng finances dito. Okay. Together with the King of Swords in a very strategic way. Okay. So Virgo, pay attention sa mga spending or purchase mo. Okay. Two of Wands. Merong communication dito, Virgo, regarding sa, I don't know, hihiram ng pera or what or something. Pero meron talagang manghihiram dito ng pera kasi someone is like financially drained, emotionally drained, very drained. Okay. Pero with the Knight of Wands, sandali lang naman. Hindi makapag-antay din eh. Nine of Wands is a fast for me. But Nine of Wands also make things done. Gustong agad-agad. With the Eight of Pentacles, merong nagtatrabaho dito but in a very strategic way. Parang mix yung nakukuha ko ditong scenario, Virgo. So, if this is you, or maybe the person na connected sa'yo, or sa environment mo, okay. Pero merong alone dito, feeling alone, feeling, tell me more. Two of Wands, planning. Kasi Two of Wands is planning, Three of Wands is waiting, Four of Wands is completion. Okay, so tingnan natin. Meron ditong lalapit sa iyo, Virgo. At saka kung sino man itong magko-communicate sa'yo, this person is financially drained or emotionally drained or feeling left out by someone. Okay. But with the King of Swords, you are very wise. You are using your intuition here, kahit hindi naman to High Priest, pero your brain is saying so. Ang intuition po is gut feeling, yung nararamdaman mo na meron kang instinct na nagsisay ng no. Ewan ko, tignan pa natin. Or baka itong person na to nagkakaroon ng sleepless nights dahil hindi niya alam kung anong response mo or kung anong magiging reaction mo. We'll see. Tower card, very unexpected. We'll see. What else? Spying card. Nagta-timing to kung kailan siya papasok, kung kailan siya mag-a-approach sa'yo, or kung kailan siya... Pero nafe-feel mo na tong person na to eh. Gusto ko lang nitong i-distract sa trabaho. Okay. The Lovers. Kung sino man tong person na to, Virgo, distraction na malaki. Okay. So, kung focus ka ngayon sa goals mo, meron ditong someone incoming, pero you know better with the King of Swords. Okay. Pero we'll see. Seven of Cups. Mm. Bottom of the deck. The Star card. Mm. Merong umaasa. Merong naghihiling. Okay. Merong nasa public eye. Um, may confusion, may decision making regarding sa taong to, Virgo. Specific person. Four of Swords, you are relaxing, contemplating, meditating, Virgo. With the King of Cups and the King of Swords ang labanan dito. Okay. Merong unexpected dito na gustong ihilang sitwasyon. Actually, this person is spying on you, Virgo. If you already with something here with the Seven of Cups, nag-i-explore ka dito. At saka na, with the Judgment card, Virgo, ang calling ng person na to is i-distract ka sa pathway mo. I don't know, Virgo, kung you are doing good by yourself. Okay, pero merong distraction na parating, mai-represent kong distraction to. Bakit? Very unexpected. Sleepless nights. Someone gustong mag-rush sa'yo while you are working here, doing your own thing. Merong decision making dito, tsaka final judgment na ang person na to is like feeling left out lang. Okay. So, iniisip niya baka you are exploring something here. Merong healing dito. Tsaka wait lang. Bago ko, pero naaamoy ko talaga yung distraction eh. The Hangman, sabi ko pa nga ba eh. What else? Clarify the Five of Pentacles. Stuck to eh. Queen of Pentacles. Virgo, andito na naman po tayo. Hindi ko alam kung sinong stuck sa sitwasyon, ikaw or person you're connecting with or siblings or what. Basta merong stuck sa sitwasyon dito, merong isang person na stuck sa sitwasyon. Okay. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, merong stuck dito, nakikita, piniperceive kaya to. Nakikita ka nito is you're doing your own thing, as I said. Pero with the Lover's card, either pinili mo yung sarili mo or pipiliin mo siya. I don't know kung sinong siya. Okay. Pero with the Seven of Cups, option. Exploring your option, kahit na, kasi meron tayong King of Cups eh, emotionally matured. Okay. Even though may nararamdaman siya, pero hindi niya ito show. Okay. But with the King of Swords, utakan. It's all about the mind. Bakit may communication dito? Kasi this person nakikita ka niya as very unstable. Meron kang foundation, kahit papano, sabihin natin na maliit, hindi ganun kalaki, or malaki, or basta, in any way, shape, or form, meron kang pundar ba? Meron kang, inano sa sarili mo, para sa sarili mo. Okay. This person is spying actually. Unexpected na lang na nakita ka niyang hindi ka stuck. Okay, na samantalang siya dito is stuck sa sitwasyon. So, parehas kayong nag-take ng kanya-kanya yung desisyon. So, sa desisyon na ginawa niya, akala niya tama. Now, stuck siya. And ngayon, on the other hand, ikaw naman, kasi the Lover's card is decision making din. As I said, either pinili mo yung sarili mo or meron kang piniling ibang relasyon. Tsaka may nag-iisip din dito, baka you are here with someone or doing your own thing with someone. Okay. Nag-i-spy to with the or pinag-aaralan yung sitwasyon. But with the Judgment card is being here, Virgo, and the Five of Pentacles with the Hangman and the Queen of Pentacles. This is definitely a calling to distract you from something. You're doing your own thing here. Healing, contemplating, praying, exploring your option one by one, like career-wise. Kung sa career man to, okay, or let's just say sa love. Dito na naman po tayo. Ace of Wands. So, tell me more. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. So, let's see. Nasa sayo pa rin yan, Virgo. I'm just a messenger only. Ito lang yung energy na, as I said, second week of May. Nine of Pentacles, sorry. Nine of Cups. Seven of Swords. As I said, I smell something fishy. This is a big distraction para sa goals and dreams mo, Virgo. So, with the Wheel of Fortune, it's up to you. This is destined to happen. Bahala kung paano mo i-maneuver ang sitwasyon. Ikaw naman ang nakakaalam. With the Seven of Swords, talagang meron lang gusto ditong i-unstuck ang sarili niya. Gamit ka. Hindi ko naman sinabi na ito mahirap sa reader eh. Kasi lahat ng ini-spill out namin sa bibig namin is like either mapabuti or mapasama. Sa totoo lang. Okay. Pero sa nakikita ko dito, basta don't shoot the messenger. Okay. Yun lang ang nakikita ko dito as the present energy. Meaning to say, it can manifest anytime soon. Or, maaaring nangyari na. Mangyayari pa lang or kasalukuyang nangyayari. Pero as I said, second week of May, ang reading na to. Okay, so just take how it's resonate, Virgo. Pero meron ditong with the Nine of Cups, wish, goals, desire, with the Queen of Pentacles. Pero someone is stuck. Di kasi ako makaget over sa Five of Pentacles eh. Kaya ang clarification ng Five of Pentacles is like the Hangman, the Seven of Swords. Someone is gonna lie. Kailangan niya magsinungaling in order para, pero hell no. Meron tayong King of Swords. Meron tayong King of Cups. Okay. So the decision is yours, Virgo, with the Lover's card. Very unexpected. Na makikita ng person na to, na malalaman ng person na to with the Page of Swords. Magkakaroon siya ng sleepless nights dito. Hindi ko alam kung malalaman mo to or makikita mo sa aura or sa face or sa energy niya itself na this person is depressed sa sitwasyon na pinili or sa desisyon na pinili niya or sa daan na tinahak niya. Kung meron kayong separation, definitely merong separation dito, or let's just say separation mentally, emotionally, physically. Merong drain dito sa sitwasyon. Okay. Meron sigurong desisyon na magkasama man kayo sa loob ng bahay pero nagdesisyon yung isa na hindi magpansinan or hindi. Walang kibuan na actually hindi siya in a good it's a fake. Yung fake yung kasi ang Tower card is a fake foundation, false foundation. Ibig sabihin kung ano yung pinapakita niya sa labas, hindi yung parehas ng nasa loob. Okay, very sneaky, very may maskarang suot. Okay. So, isang scenario 'yon. Okay, kung ikaw ang Virgo na with someone, with living in with someone, and then nagdesisyon kayong hindi magpansinan, moving your own ways, pero nasa isang bahay pa rin kayo, the another person is not doing well. Okay. And you are doing well here, focusing more on your work, daily basis na trabaho. Okay. But someone here, i-approach ka nito para ipaalam sa'yo na yung tinahak niyang desisyon is not what this person think it is. Okay, Virgo. So, it is destined to happen para may lesson na malaman sa sitwasyon. Okay. So, yun yung pangalawang scenario. Yung una kong scenario is someone here is magra-rush sa'yo. Nagkakaroon na siya ng sleepless nights dahil sa mga nalalaman niya na you are doing good, doing your thing. Ang daming opportunity mong ini-explore. Open ka sa, you're in the market actually. And someone here is very sneaky. Hindi niya sinasabi ang full story kung ano ba. Makikipag-usap or magkakaroon ng communication dito pero Knight of Wands is hindi siya hindi siya matured enough to communicate about the details of the situation. Kumbaga, ang Knight of Wands is like rushing in, make things done, okay, nandun na tayo. Pero yung detail, yung proseso, medyo may tendency ang Knight of Wands lumaktaw. Okay, ng proseso. mag-shortcut, ganun ba? Pero pag king ang pinag-uusapan dito, king of or queen, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so gusto ko lang po ipaabot sa inyo. Okay. Kahit po nagsasabi ako ng king and queen, okay, masculine or feminine, ibig po sabihin, kung ikaw po ay lalaki nanonood nito or babaeng nanonood nito, baka ini-embody mo ang king energy. Ang king energy po is mas mataas yung masculine mo, yung independent mo, or yung pagiging provider. Okay. Pag feminine naman is mas compassion ka, ang pag-iintindi mo is napakalawak, kahit ang hirap ng intindihan, pilit mo pa rin iniintindi. Gano'n po ang sa queen, feminine energy, very compassionate, very loving, giving, kahit ang hirap na, sige pa rin. Ang masculine naman po is more dominant, more, tawag niyan, provider, protector, nagigets mo? So, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Kahit po nagsasabi ako king and queens, emperor, empress. Okay, gusto ko lang pong ano yan. Okay, so with the Knight of Wands, as I said, medyo may tendency pa siyang hindi sumunod sa rules or kasi gusto ng Knight of Wands is make things done. Hindi niya iniisip kung ano yung mga kailangan mong pagganan na proseso. Okay. So, pero kung King of Wands to, pwede pa ako maniwala kasi very matured. Like, very, very matured. Alam niya magiging outcome pag lumaktaw siya sa isang proseso. Okay. Kasi ang gusto lang nito is ma-unstuck siya sa desisyon niyang ginawa na hindi niya alam na ang outcome is ganon, very unexpected with the Tower card, na shock din siya sa sarili niya. Okay, while the another person dito is like working, doing the daily basis with the Lover's card, decision making, choosing, pinipili mo ang sarili mo or pinipili mo ang career or what or saan, basta dito nag-explore ka with the Seven of Pentacles, one by one, marami kang option, binigyan ka ni Lord ng with the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, the moment na nag-detach dito kasi merong separation dito, emotionally, mentally, physically. Okay, so tignan natin, ano pa? Give me more cards. Nag-stop na ako mag-clarify sa Five of Pentacles. Pero ang dreams talaga nito, ito, ang desire talaga nito with the Nine of Pentacles, nakikita ka niya as the Queen of Pentacles. You are very stable. You will do. Go-getter ka actually. Seven of, Queen of Pentacles, Virgo, is a very entrepreneurial mindset. You know, paano. Alam mo kung paano kumita ng pera. Alam mo kung based on experience. O, hindi ka magiging Queen of Pentacles kung, you know what I mean. Okay, so, very giver, very loving at the same time. Okay. So, tignan natin. Ano ka nito eh? Isa ka na dito sa mga naging, ano nito eh, with the Nine of Pentacles. Ay, Nine of Cups, sorry. And the Queen of Pentacles. Pero be careful with this person. Meron siyang dalang meron siyang madalang bad intention. Gusto ka lang nito sheesh. What else, Virgo? What else for my Virgo collective? Second month of May. Magpaparamdam to sa'yo, Virgo. Very unexpected. Six of Cups, nostalgic. This person is from the past. Oh. Aray ko, sumakit yung gilid ko. Ish, Virgo. Ewan ko. This is your situation anyway, so it's up to you. So, tingnan natin. What else? This person is very nostalgic, no? Parang, yung energy niya ba, lahat ng mga desisyon niya dito, desisyon niya yan, ginawa niya yan, bakit niya kayo dadamay ba? Talaga, Virgo. Eight of Cups. Okay, so walking away, lakas ng loob mag-walk away, desisyon nyo yan, dalawa. Okay, so the another person is trapped and the another person is doing their own thing. Now ngayon, kailangan ka niya. Okay, tulong, Virgo, with the Ace of Cups. Gusto magsimula nito ng bago, okay, nandun ang love, or nandun ang new love, or nandun, nag-walk away ka, kasi nagsimula kang mahalin mo sarili mo. This is self-love actually, and new love coming in. Once na nag-walk away ka, as I said kanina, parang nafe-feel ko talaga yung vibration ng separation or magse-separate pa lang kayo. As I said sa second scenario, magkasama man kayo sa loob ng bahay, pero emotionally, mentally, hindi na kayo connected. In some point, another person is not doing well. And then another person, nag-walk away na siya ng matagal na mentally, emotionally. Let's just say physically, pero someone is returning, someone is coming back. Okay, may na-manifest ka nitong person na to, kung sino man to, kapatid, kaibigan, coworker, boss, energy, love. I don't know, basta isang specific person na gusto kong i-manifest back, gustong magsimula ulit dito ng new beginning with the Ace of Cups. Very nostalgic this person, pero be careful kasi meron talaga siyang hindi detalyado dito. This person is a skipper. Ano siya, hindi siya masyado ganun ka ano sa proseso. Okay. Very impatient. Okay. So, actually may nag-walk away na dito. Hindi ko alam kung nag-walk out ikaw. Meron dito yung prioritize yung sarili niya. Okay, tapos nakita niya yung feeling na nag-detach sa situation na alam niyang, you know what I mean, in a very, di naman kasi mag-walk away ang person, di ba? Suggestion ko lang. Or talaga naman kahit sinong tanongin, mag-survey tayo. Okay. Kahit sino naman talaga, hindi talaga aalis sa isang sitwasyon na kung alam niyang maganda ang kinalalagyan niya. Okay. Pero kung paulit-ulit na lang, then merong change talaga. Kasi ang the Tower card, matagal to eh. Ito po ang story ng Tower card, no? In my own perception. Ang Tower card po kasi is a foundation, okay? Binild mo siya, hindi lang to in overnight, okay? So, alangan naman na mag-building ka ng one night lang, okay? So, ang meaning po talaga ang meaning po talaga ng Tower card para sa akin as a reader, ang Tower card po is a foundation na binild mo, okay? Meron kang binild dito, but the universe, nagbi-build ka in a wrong way eh. So kahit gaano kaganda yung binild mo dito, Virgo, ang universe is gagalaw talaga. Whether you like it or not, okay, umiyak ka man ng dugo dyan, kahit ano pang gawin mo, it's a false foundation. Ibig sabihin, nagko-construct ka dito, ang tanong, kung saan tapos na, kung saan nakapundasyon na, kung saan feeling mo okay na yung pundasyon, saka naman papasok si universe. Kasi para sa lesson. Okay. Alam mo na kung paano gumawa ng tower. Okay. Alam mo na kung paano gumawa ng building. Okay. So, in the second time around, perfect na ang gagawin mo. Okay. Kasi itong ginawa mo, false foundation to. Hindi to gawa sa divine. Meaning to say, hindi orchestrated ng divine, kundi sarili mong decision lang. Sarili mong hindi ka, anong tawag niyan? Meron tawag niyan eh. Nagsimula ka sigurong magtanong na, Lord, ito ba yun? Pakita mo sa akin kung ito nga. Ngayon, pinakita sa iyo. Hello. Ganon ang energy ng Tower card. Whether you like it or not, ang universe ang gagalaw para sa iyo. Kung hindi na talaga kaya tanggapin ng universe na nag-build ka na ng tower, nag-build ka na ng foundation, tapos mag-extend ka pa ng another building dito, tapos mag-extend ka pa ng another building dito. Wow, hello. Yung tower pa lang in the very first place, gigibain niya na yun kasi mali. You are in the wrong place, wrong time, tinitingnan ka lang ng universe para matuto ka kung paano mag-build ng isa. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa Tower card as a reader, okay. So, don't shoot the messenger, please. Okay, so, lahat po ng reader is may kanya-kanyang intuition. So, yeah. So, meron very nostalgic dito because of the foundation na hindi nag-work out. And then, someone is coming back around. May nag-walk out na dito eh. To start a new beginning. Okay. Sure? Sigurado ka na dyan? Well, I don't know. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Tell me more. Ace of Cups, self-love, I think. Kasi meron tayong the Lover's card. The Lover's card po is a decision-making. So, Either sarili mo ang pinili mo dito or papapasukin mo tong person na to, it's up to you. It's up to you, Virgo. Ikaw ang mas nakakaalam. Ano nga ba ako? Diba? Hindi ko naman sinasabing masama siyang tao. Pero sinasabi ko lang, sitwasyon mo yan. Ikaw ang nakakaalam, hindi naman ako. Hindi naman ako ang nasa sitwasyon. Okay. So, ikaw pa rin ang masusunod. Ikaw pa rin ang magdidesisyon para sa sarili mo. Ako lang ay nagbibigay lang ako ng mga hint or ito lang ang binibigay na sign sa akin ng universe. So, tingnan natin. What else? Tell me more. At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin na makikisama. Ikaw pa rin. So, ramdam mo yan. Kung feeling mo tapos ka na sa lesson, marami ng lesson ang na-take mo, then it's up to you. The Fool card. Taking a risk, Virgo. Starting a new beginning somewhere, or what else? 3 of Pentacles. 10 of Cups. 2 of Swords. Meron talagang gusto mag-decide dito. Slowly but surely. Okay. Slowly but surely, Virgo. Lumabas ang full card, Major Arcana, Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, and the 9 of Cups, together with the 2 of Swords. So, it's very clear. Virgo, it's very clear. Slowly but surely, merong incoming dito. Before siya pumasok or before siya makipag-connect sa'yo, i-make sure mo with the King of Swords in a very strategic way. Kung gusto niya makipag-partnership dito with the 3 of Pentacles, may desisyon kang kailangan gawin dito, Virgo. Someone is mag-walk away into a specific situation kasi hindi talaga. Tower card. 6 of Cups to the 8 of Cups. It's a false foundation. Okay. Meron ditong gustong magsimula ng panibago. Okay. Either from the past or a new person. Walang new person, sarili mo. Ikaw yung new person. Okay. So with the two of Swords, with the King of Swords, kailangan mong magdesisyon dito, Virgo, in any way, shape, or form. Even though slowly, but surely, kailangan mong i-sure yung sarili mo na there's no turning back or I'm gonna come back to fix it. You know what I mean, Virgo? Make it to break it or break it to make it. I don't know. In some kind of energy like that. 10 of Cups, Virgo. Emotionally, this is itong pangarap ng lahat. Okay. 10 of Cups, Virgo. 10 of Cups, ito ang pangarap ng lahat. So, nasa sa'yo yan, Virgo, with the 3 of Pentacles. Partnership. Okay. With the full card, taking a risk. Susugal ka pa ba? Kaya mo bang i-figure out ang sneaky ways ng person na to? Okay, kung sino man yan, trabaho man yan, or what or something, are you gonna continue, Virgo? It's up to you. The decision is yours. With the Lovers, dalawang decision making mo, the Lovers at saka 2 of Swords. But anyway, you are emotionally intelligent dito based on experience with the King of Cups at saka meron kang King of Swords based on experience then bakit ka naging king. Okay. And with the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. So with the 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups to the Ace of Cups, meron talaga ditong gustong i-retrieve ang sitwasyon. Okay. Feeling alone, feeling pinakamaling desisyon na nagawa sa buong buhay niya. Okay. Sa buong buhay mo. Okay. Now, you're putting yourself back or this person inaano niya yung sarili niya, okay, pero ang gusto niya kasama ka. You're in it. Hindi ko alam kung saan ka doon. Okay. With the 5 of Wands, maraming competition. There is a chaos bago mag-take place dito, bago mag-walk away. Marami ba ngayon dito? Away talaga. Sometimes sakitan. Five of Wands. Chaos. Fighting. Hish, Virgo. So, hindi naman talaga ganun kadali. Bago mo pinili yung sarili mo dito or bago gustong mag-restart dito ng panibago, there is a lot, maraming pagdadaanan para makarating ka sa Ten of Cups, Ace of Cups. Okay. Pero kung nandito ang Seven of Swords, let's just say, hindi ko siya masyado gusto kasi merong, buti pa kung ang mga clarification ng Seven of Swords is like, in a good way. Pero ang Seven of Swords niya dito is para lang pansariling ano eh. Yung intention niya is pang sarili. Okay. Dahil bakit? Feeling left out siya. Wala siyang makapitan dahil sa desisyon na ginawa niya. Wala naman talagang perfecto. Okay? Lahat naman talaga kailangan ng tulong. Pero maging genuine ka. Kung hihingi ka ng tulong, maging genuine ka. Huwag kayong sabing ang dami mo pang itatago bago ka humingi ng tulong. Kind of energy. You know what I mean, Virgo? Ano ba yan? Ba't ako nagagalit? Nakakaano naman yung energy talaga pag nagre-reading. Kaya minsan drain na drain din ako eh. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong, hindi ganun kadali. Marami pa ditong mangyayaring, or baka tapos na to. Okay. Kasi meron na tayong apology card. Okay. Gusto nang makipag-partnership dito ulit with the full card. Taking a risk. Okay. Taking a risk, hindi ka naman magte-take a risk kung alam mong hindi alanganin. Meaning to say, sige na gagawin ko na. Ibig sabihin, meron kang someone or something is holding you back pag lumabas ang the full card. Ang the full card, free-spirited siya, tsaka wala na siyang pakialam sa responsibilidad or sa kung anong outcome, basta go na lang. Okay, you know what I mean? Yun. Don't shoot the messenger po. Okay, so every reader is may kanya-kanya pong perception. Okay, so tingnan natin. Anong advice sa aking mga ka-UVG dyan? She's Virgo. Hindi ko alam. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, ang advice is the energy is gaining momentum, Virgo. Definitely, nothing is yet set in stone. Okay, at saka time to give rather than to take. Okay, someone is may na-realize. Adjustment are required. Okay. Bakit ko ba pinunot yun? Bring love into the situation. Okay. So, nabunot ko na wala na akong magagawa. Actually, 3 lang. So Virgo, yun ang advice. The energy is gaining momentum. Nothing is yet set in stone kasi nga nasa decision making, nasa crossroad. Yung daan, ang daming daan. Kasi nga si universe na ang gumalaw dito. So meron talaga ditong may stress. King ina, hindi pala yun. Hindi pala yun. Tagal kong nag-effort. Ang tagal ko ng ano. Tapos at least nalaman mo na. Okay. At least you know. Okay. Nothing is yet set in stone. So, ibig sabihin, wala pang nakataga sa buto. Wala pang nakataga sa buto dito. Okay. So, adjustments are required. Kailangan ng malaking adjustment, as I said, Virgo. A time to give rather than to take. May nakakapag-realize dito na taker siya. Okay. Or taker ka. Or it's time to give. It's time to give rather than to take. Like, you know what I mean, Virgo. So, bring love into the situation. Babaan ng pride. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. What else? Tingnan natin kung ano angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgings. Meron kang 8. Ang 8 po, represent ng pera. Okay. But, also, represent din ng karma. Okay. Kung anong ginawa mo sa kapwa mo, ay siyang babalik sa'yo. Okay. 8, pera, tsaka karma. Okay. So, 5, changes. Okay. 5 is all about changes. What else? Daming pagbabago dito, Virgo. So, pay attention sa distraction, Virgo. Is it a distraction or a foundation? Like, for real. Okay. So, 6, all about family and foundation. And, as I said kanina, 9, Actually, tatlo lang eh. Pero lumabas din ng 9. Meron kang apat. So, maybe 4 is significant, Virgo. For something about 4. Okay, so ang angel message number mo is 8569. So, 8569, meron kang mensahe dyan, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.